Now what are you guys doing in the back of my truck? Are you just dying to make a video? Well, I've got an unboxing video I thought we'd try to do. The other day I was at the Home Depot and me and my buddy Jeff saw a DeWALT cordless corded fan that he says, Tim, there's you a good deal on a fan. So he knew I was looking for one from a shop, but I didn't really want to spend $150 on this bad boy. As you can see, it's a nice one, and it's 20 volt, and it's like, Jeff, it's $150, and it don't even have a battery. Well, Jeff got to looking. This thing was marked down to $119 or $110. I don't really recall. I think it's $110. And what I didn't know, bam, come with this battery. So it was a deal I really had to look at. So we got to thinking and doing some figuring, and that's a deal that you can't do without. Come with that battery right there. So thought we'd do an unboxing and let's see what we've got inside. Can't beat a good deal. Jeff's always on the lookout to spend my money. So it is a good looking fan, made very well, and let's open the battery and see if we got a good running battery or not. If not, I've got a battery in the shed. We'll go get it and we'll see how it does. So it should just clip in the front like so, and then you've got your speed adapter up front. And she's a running. Look at that. Would you look at that? Only here on Cookie's Crib. Well, this one's running kind of slow. I'm going to see if my other battery in the shed is plugged up, fully charged, and we'll see what we can do with the full battery. Okay, same size battery, but you can put other size batteries in it. And let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Yeah, we've got good air. I could work with that all day. Another good thing is it also comes with hanging adapters. If you can get them out of there, they're in there good and tight, so you can hang this fan up wherever you need it to be. If you want it hanging up in the rafters, you can put it up in there and it's not going anywhere. So, but with the cordless feature, being the batteries, well, it does say that it's corded. Well, it says corded or cordless. Now, we just opened it. There ain't no cord in there. But what I do have is I have a battery adapter that is a battery with a cord on it. So I'm assuming that's what they mean when they say corded. Sorry for the interruption. We've got an update. My producer Jeff just came over and he corrected me on my mistake. My adapter will not go with this. It is a corded version. It was hidden all the time right there behind the dadgum battery. I didn't even see it. All right, back to your regularly scheduled program. Because there is not a receptacle anywhere on it that's going to let you plug this up into a wall. So therefore you're going to probably have to buy you a cord if you want it. Now let's test a little bit of the durability out. It's running. You felt that? Still running. Still running. You can't beat DeWALT, buddy. All right, I guess that's going to do it for today's unbox, and thanks for watching. We'll get back with you next week sometime, see if we can't make another video. I'm Cookie. This is Cookie's Crib. Remember to like and subscribe. Click that button down there. Sure would appreciate it.